We interrupt all regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not. We interrupt all normal programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the federal government of the United States of America. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. At exactly 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 35 antimatter missiles from Russia, China, Pakistan, and Iran that are to impact the United States in the next 45 minutes to an hour. The following locations that will be impacted are as follows: Indianapolis, Indiana, New York City, New York, Lansing, Michigan, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Pierre, South Dakota, Cheyenne, Wyoming, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Charlotte, North Carolina, Orlando, Florida, and Washington, D.C. In addition, an additional 45 antimatter missiles have been detected and are set to impact locations outside the United States in the next 1 to 2.5 hours. These locations go as follows: Riyadh, Saudi Arabia; Canberra, Australia; Seoul, South Korea; Minsk, Belarus; Madrid, Spain; Paris, France; Rome, Italy; London, United Kingdom; Algiers, Algeria; Brasilia, Brazil; Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of the Congo; Brazzaville, Republic of the Congo; Addis Ababa, Ethiopia; Buenos Aires, Argentina, and Istanbul, Turkey. All citizens in the United States should go far underground as they can immediately, as an antimatter missile explodes on impact and can cause more damage than that of the Tsar Bomba. The president has been taken to an unclassified location and will be speaking on all stations from there shortly. Please stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has been interrupted at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. This is WTTV and we will continue to serve the Indianapolis metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, please tune into stations giving news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Indianapolis metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.